So on 28th June of 2022, I became an official partner of SuperForex in Zambia, which grants me the permission to open customer accounts, issue and distribute promotional coupons to be used by clients in Zambia, and as well organize forex courses on behalf on SuperForex. And right here on the sidebar is a certificate, as you can see. Yeah, if you do not know who I am, my name is Keith Reigns and I've been trading forex for a while. And I've got a YouTube channel called Keith Reigns with over 21,000 subscribers, with more than 400 videos on making money and more than 300 videos on forex trading. But if you've been following me along, you might notice that most videos on this main website are about trading indices, and they're based on the review of the broker. But starting today, okay, we're going to talk more about SuperForex and how it's different from other brokers and how it can actually help you in Zambia. So in this case, from now on, I'm going to be making videos on my Zambian YouTube channel called Keith Zambia. So Keith Zambia is my new YouTube channel, okay, which is based on content for people in Zambia. So if you're from Zambia, you should definitely watch this video, and you should definitely as well like subscribe to this channel. So as I have created videos on my main YouTube channel about the reef, okay, I'm going to do the same and create videos about SuperForex. So you're going to learn everything you would like to know about SuperForex, starting with creating an account, depositing, withdrawing, and finally the important part, being able to make money trading forex. So what you have to do is subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell and click on all, so that you should be notified whenever I upload the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a playlist on this channel, and the playlist is going to be named SuperForex Zambia, and it's going to have more than 15 videos, probably more than 20 videos about forex and about SuperForex. So before I continue any further, let me first explain a bit what SuperForex is and why you should definitely be interested in SuperForex. So I wrote a short blog post on my website explaining what SuperForex is. So let me just try to read what I just wrote. So it says SuperForex is a globally operating broker with regulation by the International Financial Services Commission. Since 2013, they have been offering top-tier services that cover trading investment on the financial markets for both individuals and corporate clients in over 150 countries from all over the world, including Zambia. So from here, I also talked about me, who I am Keith Reigns, blah blah blah, and right here on my right side is the certificate. So this partnership between me and SuperForex in Zambia is really going to help you, okay? So as for me, just as I have helped thousands of people from other countries such as Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, like on my main YouTube channel, like the majority of my followers are not even Zambians. So if you're from Zambia and you really want to become a better trader, you should definitely subscribe to my channel and be watching the videos, because if I notice that Zambians again are not really trying to make use of this opportunity, I might switch and go to my main YouTube channel and probably teach people who are interested in that. So yeah, so this SuperForex partnership in Zambia is really going to help you, and I've as well created a WhatsApp group. Okay, so I've created a WhatsApp group for Zambians alone, so that you can get to interact, and also like just talking on WhatsApp is much easier and so on. Okay, so the reason why I've created the WhatsApp group is not that I want followers on WhatsApp. By the way, I already have Telegram accounts. Okay, so I've got a Telegram channel with more than 4,000. So as you can see, this is a Telegram channel and I've got more than 4,000 subscribers, and most of these are not even Zambians. Okay, and I also have got a chat group. So this chat group also has got more than 4,000 members, and most of these members are not even Zambians. So yeah, so if you're in Zambia, you should definitely join the WhatsApp group. Okay, once it's full, we might switch back and go to Telegram, but I don't think it's ever going to get full because Zambians are really hard when it comes to this stuff. Yeah, but otherwise I'm simply just trying my best to help you out. So you're not doing me a favor by joining, you're actually doing yourself a favor by joining. I already have a lot of followers in my Telegram group. By the way, since it's all the same thing about Forex, you should definitely also join these groups because we all talk about the one and the same thing, which is trading. So let me get back to where I was. So I was here. So why join SuperForex? So if you'd like to create an account, simply click here. I also include the link in the description. So SuperForex is transparent and fully regulated and has been existing for more than 8 years, which, as you might have said earlier on, since 2013. Okay, and SuperForex has a ZMW or ZMK account, meaning that you can trade Forex using ZMW just like people in South Africa trade with ZAR or ZAR. Yeah, so I've seen some Zambians who trade with South African rands, yeah, like in their trading accounts. I don't know, seems funny, but in this case now you'll be able to trade not only in dollars but also in the local currency. So this is going to make it easier when it comes to calculating your risk, calculating how much you make and everything else. Okay, and the good part is that SuperForex is fully supported in Zambia. You can deposit and withdraw using your bank card, Airtel mobile money, Airtel, and even Zamtel easily without using agents. When it comes to derive, you have to use agents. Sometimes those agents cannot be trusted, but in this case, okay, you do everything directly. So unlike other brokers, SuperForex has plenty of bonuses, yeah, such as no deposit bonuses, 60% deposit bonus, 40%, 300%. There are a lot of which I'm going to make videos about. Okay, and SuperForex has got a 24/5 support, meaning that you can contact on live chat, Telegram, or even on WhatsApp. Okay, and the most important part when it comes to brokers is the verification. So when it comes to derivative broker, like you're only accepting passports and driving licenses, but in such a case where you do not own this document, you can actually use your NRC to verify your account, and SuperForex is very fast at verifying accounts, and I'm going to make a video about all this. Okay, so this is a simple introduction about SuperForex. So to summarize, start by subscribing to my channel, turn on all notifications. I'm going to create a playlist about SuperForex. You're going to learn everything you'd like to know about SuperForex, how to use the platform, depositing, withdrawing, and finally being able to make money. So if you've got any questions, feel free to comment. Okay, for more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.